Hello, this is Jake Sanders for Wealthy and P's Market Minute. Hope that you had a great week and a great weekend. And if you're in the South like we are, that you're at least trying to stay warm. Last week, we saw a continuation of what has been a down month for the markets in January. All three of the major indexes ended down. The Dow was down 4.5%, the S&P 5 almost 6% in fact, and the NASDAQ was down 7.5%. Now, we are firmly in correction territory for two of these three indexes, a correction being defined as a 10% drop from the top to the bottom. And the third index, the Dow, is close to that. And in fact, as we record this, if the action continues, we might see that by the end of the day. What does that mean for your portfolio? Well, three of our models have moved to more defensive positions. Relative strength, economic, and dynamic have made defensive trades. If you are a Wealthy and P client, you will see those. And if you have questions, as always, please give us a call. We'd be more than happy to discuss them with you. Now, I wanted to add with that some perspective. Attached, you'll see a slide. If you come to any of our events, you've probably seen this before. This shows intra-year market declines going back to 1980. Now, the math isn't done on this chart, but if you were to average them out, the average intra-year market decline is about 14.5%. That's a decline from the top of the market to the bottom. And last year was the exception. We only saw a drop of 5% from the top to the bottom. And obviously, we've already seen that this year with a pretty significant decline to start the year. What's the point of this? Well, we think it's important to maintain perspective and ultimately to follow a process. Here at Wealthy and P, we have a very clearly defined process. We stick to it. We make trades where necessary and we're prompted. But we always follow that and maintain this perspective. If you have questions about that and want to find out more, we'd love to talk to you. You can find us at wealthyp.com. Thanks, and we hope you have a great day.